Hey everybody, it's Mr. Marquardt again. I want to just talk to you real briefly again about our quiz for today. So we are having a learning target quiz today, so please make sure you take that at some point. If you're watching this video, that's good, and you're following directions, and as a reward, we're basically going to tell you what's on the quiz for today. So what's on the quiz is going to be combining like terms with and without algebra tiles, finding perimeter of a big conglomeration of algebra tiles put together. There's going to be a diamond problem on there as well, and asking something like, what does 0 look like on an expression mat, something that we talked about a little bit last week. So what does 0 look like on an expression mat? And then distributing negative signs and simplifying. So if you are taking the time to, again, watch this video, thank you for doing that. There's a little reward for you so you know what to study before you take that learning target quiz in just a couple minutes here. One other thing I want to touch on is A66 from last night's homework. Something that we've been struggling a little bit with, and that's just plugging in different values into a function, especially in our function notation. So I'm going to walk through this one with everybody, and then that's what our video is going to be today. So let's take a look at A66. So we've got f of -5. So what that means is we got to plug this -5 in for x and then solve. So we have f of -5 is equal to 2 times -5 plus 3. So from there we can multiply 2 times -5, which will get us -10 plus 3. That's still all equal to f of -5. So f of -5 is going to be -7. Not so bad, right? For 1/2, it gets a little trickier. Still the same process overall, but it's a little trickier because we're dealing with fractions. So let's plug it in and see what happens. So f of -1/2 is going to be equal to 2 times -1/2, and then plus 3. So when we multiply fractions together like we have here, pretend that that 2 is over a 1, and then we can just multiply across the top and the bottom. So we had 2 times -1, 1 times 2, so we would get negative. Let's go back to green here. We would get -2 over 2 plus 3. And that is still equal to f of -1/2. -2 over 2 can be simplified to -1 plus 3. Again, still equal to f of -1/2. So our final answer is f of -1/2 is equal to a +2. So again, that one's not that bad. We're just a little trickier because we're dealing with fractions. If we go to f of 4, basically again what we're doing is taking this 4, plugging it in for x right there. So we get f of 4 is equal to 2 times 4 plus 3. So f of 4 equals 8 plus 3, which f of 4 is 11. Good deal. And then last one, we've got f of -2. f of -2 is, what is it, 2 times -2, and then adding 3 onto it. So this becomes f of -2 is equal to -4 plus 3. So our final answer for f of -2 is -1. So I know there's been a lot of homework this week, and with our homework collection coming up on Friday, we have a bunch of office hours today. So please let us know if you guys have any questions or concerns. We are always happy to help you guys. That's why we have so many office hours, so that we can help you guys out. But we can't help you if you don't come in and don't ask the questions. So take that quiz today. Again, I told you exactly what's on that quiz at the start of the video. If you have any questions, please let us know. I hope you guys have a great Wednesday. We look forward to seeing you in live class tomorrow.